have never been busier in my department. And so to have an opportunity to learn about new processes, new technologies, new services is incredibly helpful to us. And not only that, but to be able to go out and actually see it firsthand makes our job easier. We can be more effective and more efficient.
We have a rather remarkable industry in that while we do compete to a certain extent, we are also very collaborative by nature, and we seem to be willing to share. And to take advantage of that culture within the industry, to share on lessons learned, on critical issues, allows us to leverage the time we have and leverage that experience across the entire industry.
I think it's such a great way for us to be together and spend time together and learn about the innovations in the industry versus maybe a quick interaction at a conference or a sales meeting. It's nice to actually be on site, be seeing these things put to action, and understand best practices and share experiences with each other.
For something like ACT to actually put something on the calendar that we can say, oh, we can do this, we can go and be together and have a concentration of expertise within the industry in the same place is valuable. And I think it really doesn't happen without a little bit of a spark plug like ACT that makes it happen.
Things are changing daily, sometimes by the hour. And so to be able to see these technologies and then go back and be able to call the people that you met out on the ramp when you were looking at that technology has allowed us to save so much time.
It's not a static situation where what we've decided to do today, based on technology, demands, and other issues today, is going to change tomorrow. So it makes it even more difficult without these kind of collaborations to be able to do that. So looking forward, I see it as absolutely essential that we continue this, expand it to the extent that it's reasonable and feasible. If we have the ability to share this information, all the airports will benefit.
The opportunity to collaborate in these forums, we have the 4 working groups, we have these on-site meetings that I think give such a great opportunity for us to share ideas outside of the traditional methods of sales pitches, and it's such an industry where people want to work with friends, and I think it just gives an opportunity to drive the innovation that we so desperately need.
I think about my staff that work with these technologies on a daily basis, and to be able to not only talk to the vendors and the people that are putting these products and innovations together, but to be able to strategize with them and see it functioning out on the ramp is incredibly beneficial.
We've found such great value with ACT. I think it gives an opportunity to share our expertise, to influence the innovations happening in the industry, and to build incredible relationships with our airport partners and other industry partners that we might want to work with.
I think it's going to help them in their day-to-day work, not only to learn about it, but also to build the networking and to build the connections with the people that are actually doing the work.